Hi, happy day children. Welcome to EVS class. Children, in this video we are going to learn our second topic of the lesson. Air has water vapor. Water vapor? What is it? It's a new term to us, right? So shall we see what is water vapor and how the water vapor is mixed with air? Yes. So children, have you ever observed whether your mom is cooking in kitchen? When she boils water in a pan, what happened to the water? Yes. So the water started to boil when it is heated, right? The small bubbles will come out from the water, right? So if the water is continuously heated up, what happened to water? Yes, the water will be reduced, right? So in the pan. Okay, so if you keep on continuously heating means all the water in this pan will gone away. What happened to the water? Where did the water go actually? Yes, so when the water is being heated up, the water is changes into the gaseous form. Okay, and that gas is mixed with air. Look at here. So the water is changed into the gas form, and the gas is obviously it is mixed with the air. Okay, so this gas, no, it is called as water vapor. Okay, so what is water vapor? The gaseous form of water is known as water vapor. Okay, so when water changes into water vapor, yes, water changes into water vapor when it is heated. Okay, so this is the example. When we heat in a pan, then the water is slowly changed into gaseous form, that is, it is changed into water vapor form, and that water vapor is mixed with air. Okay, the same thing happen when we dry our wet clothes in the sun. Okay, what happened to the water in the wet clothes? Yes, the sun is heating the water, so because of that the water is changed into water vapor form, and that water vapor is mixed with air. Okay, so this changing is actually is the water liquid form is changed into gas water vapor form. No, that is called as evaporation, that we learn in our next chapter 2. Okay children, so and also the water in the lakes and rivers and in also ocean seas, okay, that is also changed into water vapor form. How it happens? So when sun is giving the heat is making the water in this water bodies to heat up, and because of that the water is changed into gas form, and that gas form, that is the water vapor, is mixed with the air like this. Okay, so children, air always has water vapor. So during morning time the sun gives the heating the water bodies, so continuously that evaporation is happening, that is water is changed into gas form continuously in the morning time. So because of all this, the air is mixed with water vapor. Okay, all the water vapor that is rises up, no, where the water vapor is going actually, it is mixed with the air. So air is always has water vapor. Okay, so I hope you all understood this, right? Yes children, so in our next video we'll learn the next topic. Thank you children, bye.